Do you ever feel like something is missing in your life? Like you're meant to achieve something greater but don't know where to start? Maybe you're sitting at your desk, trying to make ends meet but feeling like you're not living up to your full potential. You know there's a way to turn things around, but you just can't seem to find your way. But what if I told you there was a way to make a better life for yourself while helping others do the same? Meet PLR Hustle, your ultimate guide to a better future. Let me tell you about PLR Hustle. Once you decide to do business with PLR Hustle, you'll have the opportunity to choose from hundreds of ebooks to license and resell as your own. That's right, you can earn real money and build a successful business, all while enjoying the flexibility of working from anywhere. Imagine hundreds or even thousands of dollars flowing into your bank account week after week from digital product sales. Whether it's from your home, on vacation, or even from a coffee shop, PLR Hustle makes it possible for you to earn an income on your own terms. So if your goal is to have that dream car, the dream home, and take those exclusive vacations, PLR Hustle will help you make that possible. When you sell high-quality ebooks at a reasonable price, you're helping people acquire the knowledge and tools they need to succeed. Imagine being one of those people, seeing the world with new eyes and experiencing life in a whole new way. When you become a PLR hustler, anything is possible. You have the power to change your life and the lives of others, all while experiencing genuine joy and fulfillment. Don't wait any longer to live the life you've always wanted. License an ebook today and discover your key to a better future.